Need me OS maps for this place. Dee, 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 dee. Nope. Aha. Cute. Comfortable. Cute. Morning! So I was supposed to do Heart of Fell, which is that bad boy. But I've just checked the weather again and it's deteriorating. So I'm going for plan B, I think. I'm heading up to Ullswater. Right, so I've ended up in Ullswater sort of area. I know a lot of people these days deliberately head out in kind of gale force winds to show how big they are. But I really don't fancy getting battered to death all night. Not by the wind. So I've opted to go up Steel Nuts. Yeah, just goes to show how desperate I am for a wild camp. And we're off. Okay, well not quite. Gotta check this out. Can't walk past a church without having little deeks. Got a kit in here. Please close the door to keep out the birds. Okay. Christian site in this ground for over 750 years. Wow. Of interest, the yew tree in the churchyard is 1300 years old. Wow. I'm gonna have to look at the yew tree now, aren't I? What does the yew tree look like? My God. Cool. Right, okay, definitely going now. Lost the dog. Hello! Short but steep so far. You can tell I haven't done a high come for a while. And this isn't even that high. Woo! Onwards! Taylor, would you have to? We've all done anything smelly. Do any good. He's just had a shower. Gawassa. Right, let's find a spot to put me hotel. Oh, what a ride that was. So there's two real options for pictures in this wind. That's here, but you don't have much of a view. This is kind of a bit better. This is all sloping. There's a bit round here, but I think it's a bit of a cop out. Nah, you couldn't really go there. You'd go there. But then, you need guidelines. Yeah, we'll put it there. I'm not going to be able to film putting it up. It's too windy. My tripod's just going to end up falling over constantly. Right. See you soon. She's up. It's been a bit challenging. The ground's quite rocky. Should have got to kill you. Taylor's changed into his down jacket. He's had his tea. He's a happy boy. Best not to pour that on the night. Great balls of fire. These meals never ever work out. I just can't seem to ever get it right. I always put the right amount of water in. So I'll have a chicken cheerful chicken curry. And if that doesn't work, I'll have a Kit Kat. Yeah, that one's crap as well. I've had enough to keep warm though. Did somebody say party for one? Oh yeah, baby. Morning! I'm all packed down already. The wind's been pretty much relentless, but I managed to get a good kip. Good 8 hours I think. But yeah, time to get down.